Iyo ni mbula binaka. Ni baba. Apa lagi? Gua ada coconut, this coconut. Mama de apa lagi? So they are doing the Wacipoki.
Wacipoki and tin fish inside the wadi.
No tin fish. Noodles nga.
Only noodle.
Nakapanawa di ba palangi?
Kalau lips eh?
Bravo! So they are preparing Wacipoki, and here we have name. Apa kok? Matala. Tapioka. Sete apa kok? Sweet. So this is beef bones here. They are cooking beef bones here. This will be all for lunch. Corri, untuk se. Amade apa lagi?
Made. We are riding the horse.
Mas. This is for the Wacipoki. Kudvale baroket ya, ramar-ramar rampat di sini kan roket. Itu ah. Hai, Bula.
Bula binaka. Lakutunangwa Wacipoki. In Fiji, we're doing Wacipoki. Just put the tin fish inside and roll it and roll.
Ingredients, the tin fish with the onion, with the chili. Then you take a rolling, then you put the ingredients inside, then you wrap it nicely, then put inside the pot.
Take the samani and the onion, put inside the wadi.
And then, step by step,
And then
you fold it nicely.
hold it nicely,
So that the
like
ingredients
this
cannot
and like
stick
this,
outside.
upside down, and roll it like this.
Oh, that's good, eh?
This is the
Fijian food.
Fijian food.
When there's a lot of people with no water, we have to do this kind of food, yeah? And secondly,
inside the
tuloko ko sa orang setengah buat
Yo, tadi roll.
roll kan cuma sini tuh mau ke cikaka goreng.
Ini maybe you
You roll it nicely, you fold it. Lima matau the right hand side, the left, then you fold it in the middle, then you what?
And another one. Put the tin fish. You can see nicely and take it properly
Fold it nicely,
and hold it nicely and upside down
and you roll slowly.
and you roll. Roll nicely.
Then put inside the pot.
And put inside the pot properly.
It takes how many minutes to cook?
My sister,
It takes how many minutes to cook?
in 10 minutes.
10 minutes to cook.
Oh, wait.
So what about the lolo? How
Hello.
gonna add the thing inside? The lolo. The coconut milk. The coconut milk.
Fuck you.
Oh, sa off talang ko live na rungo mo ko.
Pamatala mo yun.
Betul ko na edit ang kinang video ko. Doing a thing until and unless the pot is full. Kalau kasi skin to talo ko ni nalibon basta pa lang yung broken English ito kunyan.
Iya, that's what I'm thinking.
Once we all gonna pull the roro inside this pot, then we're gonna add the coconut milk. For watching from overseas around the country, Fiji, please subscribe our channel to be continued. Hi, what you doing?
Kana. Hi, this is the pasise.
What is it?
Pasise. The michimba.
So you gonna eat raw? Or
Yes, no, you have to boil it.
And then
Hot water.
hot water.
Add the tin fish and the lolo and the molly.
Bulabinaka.
Yeah, Bulabinaka. We are riding the horse. Fijian.
Riding the horse.
Fijian horse. This horse is milky as balog.
Okay guys, moving on to my next page as we are going through this kind of these are the boys that cook Bulabinaka boys.
Hello, Bula.
So what's up?
This is
What you guys cooking?
the bone for the bulbakal.
Cow meat, cow meat.
The bone.
Bone cow.
Okay.
Cow bone.
This we usually
So it takes how many minutes or how many hours to be cooked?
30 minutes. Anton tahu.
These other boys have been they cook our lunch for today. That is Semi, Daniel, and Stefano.
tabi mintan.
Hi, Bulabinaka. How was your day today? How's your day today? Saya berhenti. Okay. Sama lum sertu nggak ya?
Share satu kali dulu.
Lu pun bakal seras di kosan kena no.
Ayo, dandan. Dandan, let's go.
Thank you for watching.
Pertama malum ni sing anun.
Welcome to our YouTube channel. And yes, thank you so much. Ya Cino, amai. Kita kintaru. Came back from the base, and yes, these two girls still continue doing their job. Thank you for watching. Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Moving on to the next page. Kau nak edit? Hai. Hai.
Lah, hai.
Aku ngayak, kau nak edit. Once you put the ingredients inside, then you fold it nicely. Like what this girl is doing, you fold it nicely so that the thing can come outside. Then you fold it, roll it nicely, then you put inside the pot. Thank you so much for watching.
We love you. We love you.
Can you edit? Can kita edit?
Kita safai tu makan tu.
Iya, sama.
Yo, kau macam na presa se tumbu. Ona smell. Iyo, kau cek canggur cikina tumbu tu mana presa.
Low battery. Please charge.
Ada baru battery. Oops.
Okay guys, so since my cousins are a little bit ashamed or shy to speak in English, so I'll translate on this part of the video. As you can see, my cousin sister here, Karita or Rida as her nickname, she's now preparing the coconut. So this coconut was scraped by two other cousins. So in order to take out the coconut milk, you have to squeeze the coconut flesh without adding any water. So this is just pure coconut milk. Some would say juice, but normally juice is from the green coconut. This coconut is from the brown coconut, the matured coconut, not the fresh one. The fresh coconut is only for drinking and eating the flesh. You cannot get coconut milk out of it because the flesh is so soft. This is the matured coconut, which you can get coconut milk out of the coconut flesh. Yeah. So after she will extract all the milk out of it, and then we'll strain the milk, and we'll pour it over the wacipoki or the pot which is ready.
All the coconut milk, then you put into the pot. That's how it goes. Because it's soft, right?
Ini apa? Coba yang nggak ada sini untuk berenal. Ini murmur. Kira-kira aku saling menyangkon. So dobe enda tu saburula.
Oh, me kau kena itu berapa lama?
Iya.
Aku kan terus nak setel sisi.
Iro sa tatak ina. Iro sa tatak ina. Mau cang ko iro nang kiaan. Ano tulur na ro.
Kalau cerah sisi.
Yan nila coaching ako lang ra Lester make.
Iya, iya don.
Kasi ang ra nila.
Don pinakatutua.
Buta ra nga Wacipoki. Kau ra ni bigyan ka maraming kenra.
And put the salt on top. Paling di ko pa. Set uni ba? Masim sarvali ko. Okay, set.
Then you cook.
Wacipoki. Try it. Nice. Cassava.
Here, juice. Awan na oh.
Mate bandona sa. Sui mai tabioni.
How's the beef, Josie? How's the sui?
Good.
Kayla, how's the sui?
Good.
Wacipoki. Ano mo gori ra? Ajus gori bitana. Kasi kinalin mo. Lebu. Aruru. Siapa ya? Sini pula. Roro boleh tali mai so talamat tentutan. Kana.